I'm going to be honest with you. If you want to make serious money in 2025, you need to pick the right business model because the internet is flooded with opportunities, but most of them will waste your time, keep you broke, and leave you wondering why you're not actually going anywhere. And the truth is, you don't need to chase trends or to work on different business models at the same time. All you need is to pick one business model and commit to it for the next 6 to 12 months. Go all in. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 best businesses that you can start in 2025 that actually make real money. So these are not scams, and they also don't require a massive investment to get started, and they don't rely solely on luck or trends. These are all real businesses that people are using right now to make 6, even multiple 7 figures per year. My name is Fred, and I grew up in a lower middle class family. My parents are nurses and we often lacked money, which is why I always had the drive to work extremely hard and to become financially free. And after failing countless times and trying every business model online and listening to all of the bad advice given by the big gurus, I finally cracked the code. And no, I don't have a Rolex or a Ferrari, and I also don't live in Dubai, but I've been able to create my dream life and reach all of my goals so far. So to thank you for being with me on this journey, when we hit 30,000 subs, I'm going to be giving away $2,000. All you need to do is to watch the video until the end, subscribe, and share it with a friend to push it in the algorithm. The first business model I'd like to share with you is high-ticket coaching and services. This is without a doubt the best and the fastest business model you can use to get to $10,000 per month and even more. What you really need to understand is that if you can solve a painful problem for people, you can charge a lot of money for it. Just think about it like this. If you sell a $1,500 offer, you only need 7 customers to make $10,000 per month. That's less than 2 customers per week. Now on the other hand, if you were to sell a low-ticket $50 product, like a course or an ebook or anything really, you would need to get 200 sales per month to make the same amount of money. But the biggest excuse I hear from people is something like, but I don't have a service to sell, I just have no skills. But here is the secret. You don't actually need to be an expert. If you're good at something, whether it's fitness, social media content, being more productive, being more confident, dressing better, you can turn your knowledge into a profitable consulting business. Because what you really need to understand is that you only need to be a few steps ahead of your ideal customer. But even if you don't have a skill, you can still sell services. How, you may wonder? By using remote contractors. So let's say you wanted to sell a high-ticket done-for-you service, like for example, paid ads, social media management, website design, or video editing for businesses. You could partner up with a remote contractor. That way, you can still sell any service without having to do all of the work yourself. This is exactly what platforms like Amazon, Airbnb, and Uber are doing. They connect buyers and consumers, and you're doing the same thing but with services. So for example, you find the talented freelancers and contractors on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and then your job is to find customers, close them, and that's it. So you're focusing on selling and managing customers, and you're freelancers. And this is typically known as service arbitrage because you charge a high ticket price, at least a few $1,000s per month most of the time, because it's a done for you service. Then you find a remote contractor, you pay them a certain percentage of the profits, and then you keep the rest. And this is exactly how agency owners scale to $20,000, $30,000, even $50,000 per month without having to do all of the work themselves. And in fact, I know some people within my network, they make multiple 7 figures per year with this business model, because the truth is, you can't do everything yourself. You just don't have enough time or energy in a given day. That's exactly why trillion-dollar companies have so many employees. And selling high-ticket services or coaching, it's the quickest way to get to $10,000 per month and even more than that, because people will always pay a premium price for results. So to help you with this business model, I've recorded a free video training in which I'm going to explain everything I did step by step to make upwards of $1,200 per day with 95% profit with my consulting business. That way, all you have to do is to follow the steps and to copy me. Or you can also directly apply to book a call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can help you to start your own profitable high-ticket business. Moving on to the next business model on our list, high-ticket affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing isn't anything new, but most people do it the wrong way. They try to make money promoting low-ticket products from Amazon or random $30 per month software subscriptions, and then they wonder why they're stuck making a few dollars per month here and there. But if you want to make real money with affiliate marketing in 2025, you need to sell high-ticket products that will at least pay you a few $100s per commission to a few $1,000s. Just think about this. Would you rather sell one product and make $1,000 in commission, or 100 low-ticket products to make the same amount? The best high-ticket affiliate marketing programs are typically things like high-ticket coaching and high-ticket courses, or high-end software subscriptions, luxury physical products, and even business services like email marketing tools, CRMs, automations, etc. The big pro of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create a product, handle the customer service, or fulfill anything. Your only job is to centralize traffic to an offer, and when people buy, you get paid. Now, to make this work and to really be profitable with it, content marketing is key. So whether it's through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter content, or even LinkedIn content or blogs, your job is to create content that attracts buyers and get them to click on your affiliate link and buy your products. Because the problem is that if you rely solely on paid ads, it's going to suck your margins dry, which is why organic marketing is always the best option. Moving on to the third business model on our list, YouTube automation. YouTube is hands down one of the best ways to build a long-term automated income stream. But most people don't want to be on camera, don't want to edit videos, or they also don't even know how to run a YouTube channel. And that is where YouTube automation comes in. With YouTube automation, you don't have to create the content yourself or to be the face of a brand, to be an influencer. Instead, you hire a team of freelancers to create the content for you, and you monetize your channel through AdSense revenue, brand deals, and sponsorships. And you can even sell your own products, like merch, like ebooks, like courses. So here's how it works. First, you pick a profitable niche. Things like personal finance, tech, luxury, travel, motivation, health. These niches have a high ad revenue, meaning you can earn from $10 to $30 per 1,000 views instead of the usual $1 to $5. Then you hire a scriptwriter, voiceover artist, video editor, and thumbnail maker to make the content for you. You can find these people on Upwork, Fiverr, or even specialized freelancing sites. So your job is to manage the process and to make sure that your team is delivering great work, making great content that actually gets views. And once you get a few videos ranking, they can keep making you money on autopilot. There are channels right now making 20k, even 100k per month, and nobody has ever seen the face of the owner. So if you like the idea of building a long-term passive income stream, YouTube automation is probably one of the best businesses to explore for you in 2025. Moving on to the next business model, high-ticket closing. So if you're good at talking to other people and you want to make a lot of money while at the same time not having the burden of being a business owner, you can close high-ticket deals for other companies and get paid, and you can make 10k, 20k per month, even more than that. Because most business owners and coaches and consultants and agency owners don't want to spend all of their time on sales meetings, closing deals. They just want to focus on getting their customers incredible results and scaling their business. And so for that reason, they hire closers to take sales calls and to close the deals for them. And here is the craziest part. High-ticket closers can earn $1,000 to $3,000 per sale. And the best closers, they're making 10k, 20k, even $50,000 per month. And the upside is that you don't need to build a business, you don't need to build an audience or to be on camera, and you don't need to create any products. You just learn sales, take sales calls, and get paid. That's it. And when done the right way, sales are really fun and genuine. Now you may be wondering, okay, if I want to do this, what's the best way to get started? You want to find high-ticket coaching and service businesses and offer to take sales calls for them on a commission basis. Many business owners will gladly pay you 10 to 20% of the sale if you can close deals for them. Moving on to the fifth business model, selling digital products. One of the most scalable business models in 2025 is selling digital products. Because unlike with coaching and services, selling digital products, it allows you to sell one product an infinite amount of times without having to sell your time at all. And costs are extremely low. When you're selling a physical product, you've got to pay for the shipping, the manufacturing, the design, plenty of softwares, even paid advertising. So your profit margins are only typically 5 to 20%. But with digital products, you can have extremely high profit margins, especially if you get your customers with organic methods. So for example, social media content. Now it's not just online courses. You can sell ebooks, you can sell PDFs, you can sell Notion templates or communities. You can even sell a software. The key, as always, just like with every other business model, is to solve a problem that people are willing to pay for. So if you want to build passive income, one of the best ways to do it is hands down by selling digital products. So look, if you want to make serious money online, just pick one business model. Pick one business model, do that, and then stick with it for the next 6 to 12 months. That's all you need to do. Because most people fail because they quit way too soon. But people who stick with one thing and master it, I can tell you that for these people, they never worry about money ever again, and their life is never the same. So the question is, which business model are you going to commit to? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, if you want me to personally help you to start or to grow a profitable high-ticket consulting business, I invite you to check out the free video training I made for you. It's the first link in the description below, or you can also directly apply to book a call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can help. With that being said, I'll be waiting for you on the other side.